stop. This is not a musical.
Have you done more studying for these tests?
No, I have to do some tonight.
Spice back.
Spice back. Leaving certificate, English paper 2 starts now.
Do you smell that? Spice bag. Spice bag. Guys, it's empty. You want to go to 4-star?
Great.
Yeah, okay. Cookies. We're gonna get cookies.
Can you sort me out?
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
Miss, she pulled my hair.
Miss, she kicked me.
Miss, I don't understand the homework. Miss, wait!
Miss, you can't go in there. What are you doing? Work experience? Move out of the way. Ow! Ow! On next. Thanks so much, I love them. Ow!
You got the party on Saturday? Yeah, I think so. Beatrice? Yeah. Do you have that match sheet?
No, do you have time to hand it up?
Yeah, go on. Are you on the party on Saturday?
I am indeed. Whoa.
What was that? There's nothing there.
Oh my god.
What if it's a ghost? Do you hear that?
Do you hear that?
There's no one there! Why is everybody screaming?
Get the bread. Ready. Bread. Hey, bread, catch. Oh, gnarly. Oh my god, did you see the state of her? Oh my god, freaking, did you see the top of her? Oh my. Back tackle, bro. Yeah, you took that man down. No! Hey, Brad, look.
Hi, Brad.
Hey,
You look really good today.
I know.
So, you wanna maybe go out?
Sorry, man. I'm loyal to my boobs. Oh my god, do you see that? She's going on top of Brad. My Brad, like my man. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. You're gonna have a heart attack. You need to go over and get your man. I'll go get my man. What'd she say to you? How dare she come over to you? What'd she say to you? Well, you see, nothing really happened. Chad. Nah, bro, nothing happened. He was totally respectful, bro. It's you and me forever, babe. Oh, I shouldn't doubt you. We'll see you after that. Gone! What you mean, bro? She's gone! Sorry, bro. We gotta get a class. Hope you're alright, bro.
Are you okay?
No, she's gone!